Hello friends, I Anjali welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review about a product which is Gillette Vanish Smooth Glide Strip with a touch of aloe extract, a pain-free smoothless vanish. If you can see the packaging, so it is in blue in color and there is a razor symbol, aloe vera symbol. Gillette is written in little bit. Cursive and vanish is a bold. You can see here V. So there is a gap, smooth, and around the Gillette there's a water glide strip with a touch of aloe extract, pain free, smoothless. And if you can see this product, so you will get down product lower part. And upper part differently you have to attach it. And if you can see, so 22 April 2023 is the manufacturing date. Handle made with up to 30% recycled plastic, fully recyclable carton box and tray. And if you want to see here, so you will see a vanish, hydrate your skin with water. Gillette Smooth against hair grow, apply moisturizer and shear. Refill with smooth cartridges. Razor manufactured by Gillette Poland International, SP Jojo Nomi, then India Limited. And there they have written the price is 325 rupees. And content is one product, one handle and one cartridge. And they have given the symbol, code also, and the pictures also. And you will find a paper inside this product. They told you, they in that paper they will tell you how to use this product. So see, if you want to use a razor, please first take bath, or please wet your area in which you want to use the razor. Then apply some that soap or body wash, and then gently cleanse your hair, uh, and apply, uh, and go gentle manner throughout your body. And I have been using this razor for the past 7 years. I only use this razor only. And some, because my skin is very sensitive, so when I used to go outside in beautiful parlors, so sometimes blood came. That's why I did not go generally go to beautician, because they were very hard and they were doing very hard. So I use this razor is very good. And this is from Venus product. And if you want to use on your underarms, please first wet that area. And please take body wash or soap, and wet them, and please apply little gentle manner, because razor, if you can see the razor, this one you will find, this is the razor. So see, there you will find three blades, right? So three blades, and you can do this also. So remove this, so you will get like this a razor. And razor, so the structure of a razor is very good. See the white part, see the razor blade, there are three blades, see the things. And you can use Gillette. They have given the Gillette razor, and the product is also good. There they have written Venice, and the architecture is and the way they package is very good. And see the architecture. So I will give this product 4 out of 5. Sorry, I will not give 4 out of 5. I will give actually 4.7 out of 5, because this razor is very good. And the price is 325 rupees. Yes, pricing, if you can see the pricing part is very high. But if you don't you have to use the razor, then you have to wash it carefully. Then in this razor you can use for I think 6 to 7 months. So 325 rupees, 325 rupees is the price. But if you buy online, you will get in lesser price. um so yeah, we are living in online era, so please please buy this kind of products online. Because if you go to a retailer, then they will not they will hardly give, I think, 5 to 10% discount. But if you buy online, I think you will get in, I think, I think 200 range, 250 or 280, 290 rupees. I don't remember right now. Well, you have to check different online websites, but I like this razor very. This razor is very good, and the architecture is very good. The packing is very good. They are taking care of us, and the razor is very good. The blades are very good. So I like this product very well. So I will give 4.7 out of 5. If you have any query, please let me know, and please use this razor in a very gentle way, because otherwise blood will come. And please use it razor thoroughly, and please wash it after using, and it will you can use this razor for a longer time. Thank you so much.